Hello, and welcome back to Hugo House. And today, let's take a good look at this Kodiak log home that has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The Kodiak is just one of the log home kits for sale that you will find. This 2-level 1,580 square foot log home has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a purlin roof system. This comfortable log home kit is the perfect size for a small family or to use as a starter home. Built with quality Northern White Cedar, this beautiful log home kit is the perfect place for a getaway vacation or to live full-time with your family. You can customize this log home kit to better suit your family's lifestyle and needs, or keep it as it is. The wraparound outdoor patio on this log home kit is a great spot to entertain family and friends, or to look out at the scenery or stars at night. This is a nice-sized log home kit that you can add your touch to, whether it be a stone fireplace in the great room, modern appliances, hardwood flooring, or custom tiling. When it comes to looking at the wide variety of log home kits for sale, there is so much to envision about your future home kits build. From the log home kit's design, the log home interior decor, and accessories to the log home kit's building site. The forest surrounding any log home kit is an extension of the log home itself. You can take elements from the natural surroundings and use them in your landscaping, and for the color schemes you use throughout the log home. Whether your log home kit is surrounded by forest, mountain, or beside a lake will add to the appeal of your log home. It's not always easy to build in the exact location that you want, quite often because of the log home kit's budget, but also because some building locations can be challenging. A mountain building site can be one of the most challenging and expensive properties to build on. Mountain roads can be difficult and may require a staged delivery to the log home building site. And a steep slope can increase the cost of porches and outside decks that need to be built. With that said, other pieces of land and properties that can be challenging, including ones that have creeks and gullies, especially flooding is a potential risk. If this is the case, you want to make sure that you have enough land to build your log home at a safe distance from the water. This is also something that you want to think about when building on clay. The Kodiak is just one of the log home kits you will find on the Northern Cedar log home site. This log home kits company has close to 40 years of log home experience. And when it comes to log home kits for sale, this company has a great tradition in the log home industry. No matter what sort of log home question you have, they can help answer it. They are passionate about what they do, and it shows in the quality of log home kits for sale on their site. The log home kits they produce are made from quality cedar building materials. Kodiak Log Homes has made it their commitment to take a green approach to build log homes, not only because it makes sense, but because it also helps their customers to save money over the long term. Their log home kits made with renewable Northern White Cedar is a great way to start down the green path. And if you like this video, please consider dropping a like. It really helps this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. We're going to be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see everybody in the next video.